Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Teacher Noy, ang plantito ng Baganga, Davao Oriental, Mindanao. I'm glad that you are here watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more updates. I really miss this gardening episode and doing my propagation here in my garden. After 1 week of vacation trip going to Manila, and even reaching to the Baguio City with my wife and friends. And back and forth here in Baganga. In the same vein, I spend most of my time in my garden, and this is part of my life, and this is the life that I really wanted to live in every day. So I really miss my daily routine. The moment that I wake up in the morning, I just had a good conversation with my wife and get also the cup of coffee. And even drinking my coffee, I am doing my walk-in episode to my garden, seeing the different varieties of plants, and also I am watering them in every day. So this is the kind of life that I really miss up when I was in Manila. Good thing that my brother Merlo is also my plants in charge when I did my vacation. So he also had a very hard time to travel from Bubunao to the Poblacion Baganga. Traveling from Bubunao, reaching here in Poblacion Baganga just to water my plants and seeing my plants if there are no caterpillars really eating the leaves of my plants. That is why I gave him money for his fare for the back and forth travel. And I really bought pasalobong items as a gift for him so that I can repay whatever he is feeling for 1 week of taking care of my plants. For today's video, I'm going to rearrange my plants at my back because my brother suggested to me that you need to rearrange your plants because my philodendrons are thriving well in this area and the leaves are becoming bigger and bigger. So it requires more space than the aglonema plants. So the position of the aglonema will be the position of philodendron, and the position of the philodendron will be the new position of the aglonema plants. Let's see if it will work for this new arrangement. Finally, I'm done for my rearranging, and this is now the new setting of my plants here in my garden. I am not yet done doing this lemon lime philodendron, but I will make a separate vlog for this. Look at this alocasia that I planted directly on the soil. They are all thriving and giving a good color of the leaves, including this rubber tree triangularis. It's also thriving here, and the rubber tree, which is the black prince. I think the sun really hit this up. Some leaves were burned. I need to do the cover up here. Maybe I will purchase another set of net. And I put here this kind of plant for the grotto of Nanay, and Nanay requested to get this one, Aglonema, the boxer, to put here. And I also put one variety of Sansevieria, we called it a snake plant. Grow it in the water. And I have also here my Philodendron Brazil. So that is one of the climbing philodendrons that I love the most. Look at my Lindeniae, or Lindeni. It's getting bigger and bigger. And I think this is the new pop, or the shoot. Maybe. How many months from now I can harvest this Lindeniae? And I have also here the background. We have here Magnificum. This is type of Anthurium. And above I put also the bird's nest. I don't think if this is a female type of bird's nest. My brother suggested that I need to transfer my philodendrons on this side because there's a wall, and when people will enter here in our terrace, people will look directly on this side, and this side will be the background of the Aglonema. So that was a tiresome days that we're doing the rearrangement here in this area. Look at the flower of this Calathea silver plate. I have 2 pots here. Maybe for the next month I will be doing another set of vlog about this Calathea. At the back of our house, I cannot trust anymore for the sunlight. Even though I installed the net, sun is still attacking the Calathea plants. So this is my sunlight philodendron. I think it is already fully recovered. Some people ask about why some philodendrons, when philodendrons are unfurling the leaves are keep on burning or look like this. It is because those philodendrons were grown from tissue culture. They are not grown naturally. So that is the reason. Kailangan nyo magtiis, antayin yung right time when the recovery period of that philodendron will be shown. Have patience, do a lot of hard work for your plants. I know everything will be fine in the right time. I think Nanay throw these chode leaves of insulin plant because she is now aging. She really needs of herbal medicine. When the sugar level of your body is rising, I recommend to chew at least 2 leaves of insulin plant, and it is really helping, you know, for your health. Maybe one of these days I'll be buying the steel stand of flower. I will just leave those plants there to propagated philodendrons, aglonema, Dieffenbachia. Anyway, if I'm not busy, I can give my time to this area to arrange. So here we have here my aglonema collection. And some of the cuttings, also the propagated cuttings, I just put it here on the base, the soil. I just put it here because I want them to get 100% of humidity coming from the soil for them to grow well and become lush. This arrangement I have shown already during my previous vlog I uploaded in my YouTube channel, and this is the new arrangement that I am not done yet. I'm still finding my time to arrange this area because I bought a beautiful flower pot. Look at my Florida Ghost. It's really climbing, and I love this plant. Long before, when I bought this one in online, it has only one leaf worth 500 pesos. But now, if I'm going to cut this one and also sell to the plantito and plantitas, maybe someday I can do it. But now I'm not ready to let go. I'm still enjoying its growing period. And here I took all the Paraiso Verde Philodendrons here and I substituted it this Aglonema boxer. My purpose is the philodendron Prince of Orange is no longer good here because it requires enough space compared to the Aglonema. So I think Aglonema boxer is really good here. When you enter here, you'll no longer touching the leaves. So I am protecting also the existence of my plant. That is why I transferred it there. Still looking for the time for my Philodendron Paraiso Verde. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more updates about my videos that I'm going to upload here in my YouTube channel. Once again, happy Sunday and thank you for viewing. Keep sharing my videos to help also the plantito and plantita out there.